looking at another foot of snow coming tonight, and it already looks like this, so it should be quite interesting tomorrow. Snow Valley right there.
off.
Yeah, it didn't even slip.
I think this turned off.
Oh my god. Shit, here we go again. Hold on.
There we go.
Or maybe not. I'm thinking, let's get out and scope this out, dude. Let's see what we got here. Let's see if we can make that work for us. There we go. Whew, look at that. This is our spot. The road gets too bad up there. We're fairly level, but we just need to get this side up a little bit. So I've employed Travis here to do some digging. See the ice under there? That's our problem. We push right down through this soft stuff and hit the ice, and here's the back. Looking pretty good. Yeah. All right, we got all this set up here. Got stuck a little bit. There's snow on top of packed ice, and it's deep, about 1.5 feet. Here's the trail, and you can kind of see that it's, you know, it's a little bit thick here. So this was made trail a little bit, but it stops about here. We didn't press our luck and found a little flat spot here. So that's where we're camping out. On the, there's not going to be anybody driving there. Got the diesel heater, the new one, and always the trusty Kodiak canvas tent. Brought a friend with me this time, thank goodness, because you can see the tracks. We had a little problem trying to get up into this spot, and that's what we had to go through, kind of shoveling and slipping and sliding. And you can see the tires, they're pretty socked in there, but the good news is the snow is really nice and fluffy. The last foot of it or so is nice and fluffy. So we set up a little area here, doing some camping, camp cooking anyway. It's really perfect, just a light breeze. It's supposed to get 1 foot of snow tonight. Hopefully, I don't know what that sign says. Fires, no fires. Look at that. Ground turkey tacos. A little beer. I think we are having fun. It's down about 26 degrees right now, so yeah, that's it's getting cold. It should be, I think, around when we get done with everything, it should be down around 20 or 19 or something. No, actually lower than that. I think it's like 17 or 16. But it's gonna feel like it's single digits, but no problem. Got a down sleeping bag, got a buddy heater, and the diesel heater. So if the diesel heater works, we can just be chilling in there at 60 degrees. So we're gonna get back to this master chef cooking. Look at that. Man, woo, look at that. Look at that truck, man. Is that cool or what? We are, I mean, it's just perfect. Look at those trees. Can't wait till tomorrow. It's gonna be a challenge. We had to build a couple little ramps for the truck over here. Forgot to show that. The Tacoma, as you know, comes with a attitude indicator, and it was saying that we were pretty much level in the pitch front to nose, but the left side was pretty low, and you can look around, there's no rocks. We couldn't find anything to fix our issue here. So the solution was to use the traction boards. We built a little ramp on both sides here, and just like RV style, I just drove right up on it and leveled the truck out. So we are pretty much perfectly level now, which will make comfortable sleeping tonight. And yeah, we're good to go. Kind of a makeshift weather protection box for my diesel heater. This is from the old one. I just chopped it up a little bit to make it worthy of the conditions we're in. It's got a little air vent over here, and the top is not sealed very well, but that'll keep the diesel heater nice and protected. If we get a foot of snow tonight, that should still be breathing and pumping out fresh air for us. So there you go. That's our camp. Pretty cool spot for being right on the side of a little road. There's the workhorses of our shovels. I even brought a chainsaw right there, if you're wondering what that is. Electric chainsaw. We might put together a fire tonight, I don't know. This snow is it's beautiful. It's hardly even anything to worry about. It just kind of falls right off. So you can see already we're going to be getting our fair share today, and I have no problem with that at all. All right, we'll talk to you a bit. I'm going to go eat. Got a dump load of snow last night. Pretty worried about getting out of here. We're about 1,000 feet from the road. 1,000 feet too many. 19 degrees. Oh man, look at that. All right, I get to go make my way back there to our buried kitchen. That was a good foot deep trough, and it's pretty much gone. We'll see. My makeshift cover for that heater, I didn't have a lot of time to make one. And I got it blowing on the water jug there, so hopefully that's not frozen solid. After all, it's been well below freezing for 12 hours or more. But gosh, you couldn't ask for a better morning. Look at this. Partly cloudy skies. Really no wind. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's a lot. Incredibles. Alright. I gotta go get a broom or a shovel to get all this out. It's a little bit deeper than I thought. Truck is clearly buried. Look at those icicles. Even the straps froze, Travis.
Really?
They froze with the truck. Kodiak canvas, check it out, man. It's kind of windy. I think most of the snow blew off because you can tell by the roof rack that's buried in there. Oh yeah, that's gonna be quite the obstacles today. I mean, not like my back hurts or anything, so. Alright. Let's get this show on the road. Nothing warms you up like a nice hot drink in the morning. So that's what the plan is. Not so fluffy. Let's see here. There it is. Water jug froze, I think, not completely, but having that heater on it. So it got cold last night and we ran the diesel heater, which kind of melted a lot of this stuff, and then it refroze. So we got all these ice sheets on here. I noticed in the middle of the night we were taking on a lot of snow. The tent was sagging a little bit, but by the morning it was all gone. I think most of that blew off, and then it turned into these ice sheets. And they're all stuck to the canvas, which is kind of new for me. I've never really had it do that, but I think it just got cold enough in the low 20s. Actually, it was 17, I think, this morning when I woke up. So that was enough to refreeze anything that was coming off of here before it fell off all the way. But I mean, look at that little beauty. That's a lot of ice. It's pretty thick. But we got icicles everywhere, and it's not because of freezing rain or anything. It's just whatever melted and then worked its way down onto the truck. So I have a little extra task to do this morning. For this project is to build a better diesel heater. Yeah, I'd say 4 inches, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I'd say so.
Pretty good layer on the ice there. But it's really, I mean, you can tell what a beautiful day. It's starting to warm up. I don't know, warm up. It might be like 20 degrees now, but with no wind or anything falling out of the sky, it's pretty comfortable. Oh yeah, that's icy, all right. Yeah, look at that. We got some serious icebergs in there. Icicles, rather than iceberg. Got some serious icicles hanging out. Look at all that ice. Again, this is what melted off the tent, so I think the diesel heater got it pretty wet. Dripped down, and by the time it got down here it was frozen again. So that's what 17-degree weather does to water. Doesn't get a few feet and then it freezes again. Soft topper all installed. Now we just gotta figure our strategy out. I think this is pretty good surface. I think we're gonna back up here, kind of work our way into a U-turn. And I think since it's about downhill, about a 4-degree slope, we might be able to just plow our way all the way down without getting stuck. That's what I'm hoping. A lot of different strategies for driving in the snow. I'm running street pressure right now. If you drop the air pressure, your truck sinks lower in the snow. I have airbags, so I'm going to pump those up to help get some of the structure off of the snow even more. And we're going to stick with that strategy to hopefully snow plow our way to the south. God, look at this. I'm going to just stay here all day. This is amazing. Just incredible. Wow. Don't think we got to worry about any traffic today coming down here. maybe a little fast, but that's okay.
We got through it.
We got through it. Right now, let's